How can I edit my bank statement PDF?
Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're going to learn how to edit a bank statement PDF. This can be useful if you need to annotate or highlight certain transactions for personal or professional reasons. Please note, altering a bank statement for fraudulent purposes is illegal and punishable by law.
What will you need?
Before we start, you will need a PDF editing software. There are many options available, both free and paid, that you can choose from. For this tutorial, we'll use a generic, hypothetical software as an example to guide you through the process. Remember, the steps might vary slightly based on the software you decide to use.
How to open your PDF file in the editor.
1. Launch your PDF editor software. It will usually open up to a home screen. 2. Click on Open or File, then select the Open option from the drop-down menu. 3. Navigate to the location where you have saved your bank statement PDF file, select it, and click Open.
How to edit text in your PDF.
1. Once your PDF file is open, look for the Edit or Text Edit tool in your software. 2. With the Edit tool selected, click on the text in the PDF you wish to edit. A text box should appear around the text. 3. You can now delete, replace, or insert text as you wish.
How to highlight or annotate text.
1. For highlighting or annotating text, locate the Highlight or Annotate tool in your software. 2. Select the text you want to highlight or annotate. 3. Apply the highlight or insert an annotation as needed.
How to save your edited PDF.
1. After you've finished editing, it's time to save your document. 2. Go to the File menu and select Save or Save As if you wish to keep the original document unaltered. 3. Choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the edited PDF and hit Save. And that's how you can edit a bank statement PDF. We hope you found this guide useful. Remember, the steps can slightly vary depending on the PDF editing software you use, but the general principles remain the same. Always be mindful and respect legal boundaries when editing sensitive documents. Stay tuned for more helpful tech tutorials.